All right, here it is. It's upside down. That's the shelf. Highly recommend this. It's really easy to install, and it actually functions really easily too. It's got that little tab that you push down right there, pops the brackets up, locks in place, push the tab down, and once you do that, this bracket goes back down. And it only is held in by 2 screws here and 2 screws on this side. Let me show you where they are on the Recteq. They're pre-existing screws that are already on there. 2 right there, 2 right there. So I think, we'll find out in a second. I'm gonna look behind there, but I think all you do is remove these 4, line up the shelf, and put it on. Let's see. Yeah, they're not really holding anything. They're just there for accessories, I guess. Man, every day I'm surprised by this thing. So well manufactured. These guys really took the time to make a fantastic pellet grill. I'll tell you more about what I've thought about it so far here in a minute after I get the shelf on. So my trusty helper here has a little impact. You could use a screwdriver. I think Recteq tells you do not use an impact because some people will over tighten screws with an impact and just ruin the threads. So if you're not comfortable with an impact, just use a screwdriver by hand. All right, got those 2 off. Let's get these guys. There we go. Now we'll go grab the shelf and line it up. First thing you want to do is pop the legs out. Make sure they're positioned like that, so they're not retracted, but they're extended, so you can get to the screw holes. And then you're gonna need 2 people to do this easily. 1 person to hold the shelf up, and then the other person down here where I am to kind of get it lined up and get the screws started. Don't put 1 screw in and tighten it all the way, because you always wanna get all the threads started before you tighten anything up. So what I'm gonna do is put 1 up here and put 1 on that side just to line up both ends so they're not wobbling around. Then come down and put 1 here and then 1 on the bottom on that side. Just get all of them threaded just to get the threads to catch, then we'll tighten them up. So we've got it put on now, and on the bottom you can see these tabs right here, so that if you push that up, yep, all you got to do is push that up and it folds right down, and it fits under the Recteq cover too. I was kind of worried that it wouldn't fit under the cover, but I called their tech support line. They're super friendly, very helpful guys there. I think they're all out of Georgia if I remember correctly, and they're fantastic folks. Got a couple questions answered, made sure it fits under the cover. That way I don't have to worry about taking it off or having a custom cover made, and that's it. Look at that, it's beautiful. You can, whatever you're smoking, your pork shoulder, your brisket, that's my skillet there, my Recteq skillet. We've been using that a lot too. Got tons of workspace here, and it doesn't stick out too far. I'm right up against it, and my hands, I can reach all the way in there still. We did, I gotta scrape all that grease off. We did some smash burgers on there the other night. They came out fantastic. Heated up to about 400, let that skillet get hot while we made the meat and seasoned it. Came out here with a little smash burger kit, and get all of them done real quick. Took, gosh, maybe 3 minutes each side, and they were done. They came out great. Anyway, highly recommend the Recteq attachment for the work area, little table here, and keep an eye on the channel. I'll post some more videos and things as we get some more use out of this thing. In the meantime, love you guys. God bless. Have a great one. See you next time.